To solve a linear inequality such as this one is a two-step process. The first step is to graph the line you get by turning the inequality into an equal sign. So we need to graph this line first. So I'll make a little xy table, and notice that if x is 0, then so is y, because anything times 0 is 0. So this line goes through the origin. For another point, let's pick, let's say x equal 3. Because 3 divides into 3, canceling out, leaving negative 7 for y. You can pick the easiest points that you can find. And so we have 2 points, we can graph the line. Okay, so the first point is the origin. The line goes through the origin, which is both the x and the y-intercept of that line. And then through the point 3, comma negative 7. So if I go over 3, I have to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 7 here, going down to that point. There's the second point. So our line goes through those 2 points, and it's going to be a solid line because it includes or equal to, so it's including the points on this line. And the line looks something like this. That's step 1 completed. For step 2, we need to determine which side of the line to shade. And one way to determine that is to look at the original equation. It says y is bigger than or equal to. Bigger than means higher than, because y is the up and down coordinate. So if y is bigger than, it would be this side, the top side of the line, that gets shaded. But we could also find out by asking a point like this guy. Hey, we can ask the point 3, comma 0, are you shaded? Because he'll say yes, probably, because y-coordinate's bigger than there. But let's do it by using this as a test point. Let's ask, is 3, comma 0 shaded? We answer that by going back to the original inequality and simply substituting x equal 3 and y equals 0 and see if that's true or not. So y then is equal to 0, and we're wondering, is this bigger than negative 7/3 times 3? Well, negative 7/3 times 3, we're dividing by 3 and then multiplying by 3, so the 3's cancel out. So we're really asking, is 0 bigger than or equal to negative 7? And yes, 0 is larger than negative 7. So the answer is yes. And that's the answer to, is this point shaded? Yes, it is. So again, we knew that y was larger than means y is higher than. So we knew it had to be that anyway, but it's this side, the top side of the line, that is the solution set. Every point here that's shaded is in the solution set to the original inequality.